Do you want to send HD photos in Messenger? You can send high-quality pictures in Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to send HD photos in Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Sending HD photos in Messenger involves sharing images in their highest available quality through Facebook Messenger. When you send HD pictures, the images retain their clarity and overall visual quality. To send HD quality photos in Facebook Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are in Messenger, open an existing conversation or start a new one. In the chat conversation screen, tap on the photo icon at the bottom of the screen. It is available together with the text input field. You will see photos and videos from your device gallery. Scroll through your gallery and select the image you want to send in HD. You can select either one or multiple pictures. Before sending the photo, look for the HD icon that appears at the top of the gallery section. Tap on this icon to enable HD picture upload. Once the HD option is enabled, tap the Send button to send the selected image in HD quality or high resolution. Your picture is now sent in high quality. Both you and the recipient will see an HD icon at the top of the sent image, indicating that the photo is of high quality. By following these simple steps, you can easily send HD photos in Facebook Messenger.